Hey guys, today is December the 12th of 2013. I want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions, and know that this is an educational video only. So with that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, on the calendar today, we have pretty much some positive things in the U.S. So the dollar looks like it's getting a spike. Unemployment rose up a little bit, but core retail positive. Retail sales positive, unemployment, and we're got a couple of more coming in at 9 o'clock, and I think that's about it. So that's that. The markets pretty negative. Yesterday we had a big down day. Asia negative. I guess it it did a domino effect, and it just everybody was selling. Euro's not looking too good. FTSE, DAC. So that's that. So the markets are kind of negative, selling. I guess people are covering, getting their money out or taking some profits. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. So that could affect the currencies in regards to the dollar. As of now, I see that the euro is already selling. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this is our day. We're in an inside day. If we look at our Gann swing bar chart, we're still positive. We're still in the uptrend, so that's good. And in regards to price, it hasn't really hit anything. Still above the 25, and if you go over here, you got that 50. So we're kind of like stuck in the mud right now. Nothing really, to persuade us to do something. I'm still long. I'm just going to time my stop a little more because it could get a little crazy. But other than that, I don't see anything here. Everything is just looking, just an inside day today. We haven't gone higher. They're selling on the top, and we really haven't taken out any of the lows yet as of now. But who knows what today's going to bring. So let's get into the charts here. Also, calendar-wise, these are the dates I have for pivot turn. The 19th, the 13th could be a possible turn, but we'll see. See how the indicators and what the market is telling us. And the 20th has three hits right here. I'm leaning more on the 19th, but who knows? It could be the 13th the way things are looking. So I just want to show you that. Let's get into the charts. As you see, the dollar, all the currencies against the dollar are losing momentum. They're on the red, and the pound is kind of creeping up. So let's get to the charts now. As you can see, we should have closed above this angle right here, and we didn't to test this one. So right now we're struggling right here, and I'm gonna show you why we're struggling right here. Couple of charts. So this is today, and we're having an inside day. We need to stay above this angle to continue this bullish momentum, unless it's kind of like going to consolidate and then surprises and go up. But we'll see. If we go into my monthly grid, and this is monthly. This is from the swing low to the swing high monthly chart. You see right here, this is the issue. That angle right here made resistance there, kind of made resistance there. There was a cross, and we're here now. We need to push higher and close above that angle, and that angle is pretty much where it's hitting highs. That high is what 38.10. It needs to stay above 38.10, 3800 needs to stay above, so it could kind of trend. And I mean, this is monthly, but I'm picturing to go and keep this angle. Need to stay above this angle and above this angle. If we glance this chart, see what we got. The daily, we're right here. Put a high 38.31, and we're having a tough time. You have support here with the monthly woodies, which is a 37.48. So that would be good support. You're above the cloud. You're above all the simple moving average, the 20, the 50. You got the 100 right here. You got above the Tenkin Cajun, and everything. PPS indicators are telling you that prices wants to push higher. If you go to the weekly, same thing. You're still bullish. You're above MOBO. You're above all the. But you had a PPS sell signal here. Well, you got to buy one here, so maybe this is resistance right here for now. But we'll see. You can see the market profile. There's a lot of resistance right here in this area, anywhere from the 40.74 all the way to the value area high of 39.19. Then another resistance is the monthly Kumo cloud. This bad boy right here. Look at that. You can't. I mean, this is a monthly count, so you got to wait till the December to hit January and see what we're gonna do. But you got to get in there. You got to dig in deep. You got to push higher, and you hit the medium line. You got the 50% right there, and you're having a tough time right here with this cloud. So that's gonna be a problem. Big problem. Let's look at the big picture and see what we got here. Okay, so we got, before I even do that, I want to show you something here. This is the swing from the November 7th low. What day is that? The 6th. So this is this leg, and if you use Gunner 24 and you pivot it at the 5th candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you've seen that you're already having resistance right here at this arc. So it's just something to keep in mind too. It's always good to have different tools that measure the markets, geometry, and kind of have a what's going on measurement wise. And from this swing, we're still positive. We're above the 1x1, but you're having resistance here, and this resistance is matching up with all the other resistances I have from all the other all the other charts. So when you do that kind of analysis, your possibilities, like I'm long, I might just time my stop now, because this thing could just blow down and push lower, and it's not even about the turn dates now that I have, unless the turn date that I have coming up now is the 13th. This could be a sign of what's to come, so I might as well put my stop higher and get stopped out and lock in profits. So I just wanted to show you that on that. Let's get back to the charts. So this is my monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. And you can see in the 12-hour to kind of get an idea, and I use a 12-hour because it's a half a day. You get to cut all the noise. You're still positive. You're still above the 12.5% right here, which is that red line. You're kind of digging into the mobile, but this is going to be all chop. Once you get down past 37.16, then it could be to the downside. But you still got the 20 right here. You got the 50 simple moving average, and you got the 100. You got what you call the 37.5 or the 38.2% Fibonacci level, somewhere around there. So these are all the price levels. So you still, team is still positive. This kind of setting up for a snapback. So if this pushes lower, bulls could come in and push this thing right back higher, because the 50 is in zoom mode. It's still right here. This is just kind of pushing lower, and this could snap back. So it could be dangerous, going short now, but it all depends how risky you want to go. Same thing here. You crack the 50, you got a blue bar. You're still green. Hasn't been fully green here. On the daily, you got a Fisher signal, which is not good, and you got a soap signal. So it could turn here. full moon coming up, equinox, December 21st. Team is still telling you stay long on the daily, so this could probably be an opportunity, to get in and go higher and test that high. And you got the Fisher on the weekly pointing up. Everything is positive. So looking at this big picture right here, this is just pretty much noise and just day traders and whatnot. I think the trade is the trend is more to the upside, pushing higher, and this is just probably an opportunity to get in and go long. But everything here is looking positive as of now, even on the monthly. We just need to get above 38, at least kiss 38, 31, or stay above those price levels I told you previously on the other chart. So good trading, make some pips, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.